This is a pot with my sweetgrass. It's June 2nd. This is the sweetgrass is growing back. We've had 5 days of rain, and this is doing quite nicely. It's coming back well in this 5-gallon pot. In the center, we've got the giant chives, which is basically wild chives that grows outside of Waterton Park in that area, southwestern Alberta, and it's got a much larger seed head. I'm expecting that it'll put on seed heads next year, not this year, but I'm excited about it. It's planted in the center here. It's a little bit more of a moisture-loving species as well. I got some fox sedge that's planted here. It's done enough that I might be able to divide it and plant it on, which was part of my goal with the fox sedge. I'll probably wait till the fall until I do that. And it's nicely overwintered, and it's coming back nicely after planting it. There was a little bit of a shock for the planting. Then this is a tufted hair grass right here in the foreground. I quite like the look of the tufted hair grass. I don't know why, but it's a lot more attractive than a lot of the other grasses for me. And wait until the seed heads form. That's attractive too. So we'll see how it does. It's in a 5-gallon pot, just trying to learn and experiment with what overwinters well, what I can grow in pots, what I can do to divide. A lot of the grasses can be divided. Sedges, rushes, most of them can be divided. So this is a good way of doing some extra propagation later, and you don't have to do it from seed necessarily. Start it from seed and then divide it to continue multiplying it and propagating it.